Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO Y21s. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, click OK. Finally, you can click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on VIVO, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Android device. You can finally use all of those categories at the top to pick files that you wish to transfer. In my case, this one. Wherever you do, you can also pick multiple. Tap on Send next selected at the bottom when you finish. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on VIVO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. If you want to enter this key though, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!